In this video, we identify reasons the bank balance in Xero can differ from the actual bank statement balance and teach you ways to find and correct the balances. If you notice an unexpected difference between the Xero bank balance and your actual bank balance, the best place to start is to confirm that the opening bank balance you set in conversion balances is correct. Click Accounting, then choose Accounting Settings. Then select Conversion Balances. Find the bank balance you entered in the list of conversion balances. Check it matches the actual closing bank statement balance from your online banking, the day before you started using Xero. In this example, we would check the bank balance at the 31st of March 2025. You may have entered the bank balance from your previous accounting system or financial statements. If the balance included uncleared funds, it could be the reason for your bank difference. If needed, update the bank conversion balance and ensure the conversion balances are saved. If you've confirmed the bank conversion balance is correct, and you still have an unexplained bank difference, you need to find when differences in the bank statement lines or transactions in Xero occurred. Let's run the bank reconciliation report to investigate further. You can find the report in the Report Center or from the bank account. Let's return to the bank account. Click Accounting, then click Bank Accounts. Click the menu icon for the relevant bank account, then choose Reconciliation Report. First, let's review the summary report to check the amounts are as expected. Use the calendar picker or the drop-down to set the pack date range. In this example, we'll choose Last Month. Then, make sure you've set the bank account for the account with the unexpected difference. Enter the bank statement ending balance from your actual online bank statement for the period. Then click Update. Looking at the report, we've got a couple of outstanding payments from the start of the month that we would expect to have cleared. We wrote a check, which we know has cleared the bank, so we need to find the transaction to see where the error is. Let's look at the bank statement report to find the transaction. Click the Contents drop-down and choose the bank statement report. We can see we've reconciled a spend money transaction to baskets and hampers for the same amount. This means we've got a bank payment reconciled as a spend money and a supplier bill with a manual payment made. Click the transaction to view the details. Then, to correct the error, we need to remove and redo to unreconcile the spend money transaction. Click into the statement line. Then click Remove and Redo. In the Reconcile tab, match the statement line with the bill payment to baskets and hampers. Now we've fixed that error, we need to check if there are any other problems. Let's return to the bank reconciliation report and review the statement exceptions and duplicate statement lines reports. First, let's review the statement exceptions report, which is already part of the bank reconciliation pack. Click the Contents drop-down and choose Statement Exceptions. Choose whether to display all statement lines or only reconciled lines. We'll keep all statement lines. Click Update to rerun the report if needed. The report highlights statement lines created by users marking transactions as reconciled, deleted statement lines, and potential duplicate statement lines that Xero has identified. Review the statement exceptions. If any of them are unexpected, you may need to correct them. For example, remove and redo transactions manually generated, and check potential duplicate lines. In this example, we don't need to make any changes, as we've checked all the exceptions are required. Let's check the duplicate statement lines report. As the report isn't part of the bank reconciliation report, we can either review the report from the report center or add it to this report pack. Click Add Report, then search for and select the duplicate statement lines report. Finally, click Add. If the report displays duplicate statement lines, compare them to your actual bank account statements. If the line is a duplicate, you need to delete it from Xero. Click Accounting, then choose Bank Accounts, and click the relevant bank account. From the bank account, click the Bank Statements tab. Ensure the Showing option is set to Statement Lines. Use the Search button to find the statement line. Enter the details and click Search. Click the checkbox next to the statement line you want to delete, then click Delete. Read the information on screen, and if you're confident the line is a duplicate, click Delete to confirm. Check the bank balance using the Bank Reconciliation Summary Report. If they still don't match, the final thing to check is if there are missing statement lines. To do this, compare statement lines from your online banking to the Bank Statements report. If you find missing statement lines, import them into Xero in the format available from your bank, then reconcile them as normal. Once the statement balance matches your actual bank balance, add a lock date for the period, so your records in Xero stay accurate and up to date.